Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about some of the best coffee makers on Amazon. You guys, you're gonna love this one, especially if you're a little bit extra and you want a little bit more than just run-of-the-mill coffee. This one's for you. It's the DeLonghi combination coffee maker and espresso maker. So, you guys, with this amazing machine, you can make the finest drip coffee in the world on one side, and on the other side you have a 15 bar espresso maker. That means you are going to get the best espresso just like at your favorite coffee house, but from your own kitchen counter. So you've got on this side, you can do your espresso, your cappuccinos, your lattes. You're going to be able to froth your milk just right, exactly how you want it, and make perfect drinks. Really get to experiment and make things exactly how you want them, play around a little bit, save a ton of money and ton of time, and just really enjoy so much really fun coffee drinks. Your coffee, your espresso, coffee, espresso. If you are in a family that, maybe you like your cappuccinos and they like their, just pot of plain black coffee, this is a great machine for you. It can do both. It's really convenient. Both of the reservoirs are on the outside, so you don't have to move or, shift your coffee maker at all. It's all really, really easy access, super easy to use. You'll get it down first day and know exactly what you're doing and be making espresso like your favorite barista. You're gonna have so much fun with this, and everything's gonna taste amazing, not only because of that 15 bar espresso system, but also because you're gonna be using amazing filtered water, because there is a charcoal filter included in this. It's going to filter all the water for you, so your coffee is going to taste just that much better. This is an awesome product. Go ahead, put this on your cart, put this on your registry. You're going to be super glad that you did.